Good morning, gurus. Welcome back to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin bouncing back very strong. We're back at 103,000. Crazy what happened. This was yesterday. We were at 105 and then we had a big drop. I sold here. Then we dropped all the way down to 97,800. I opened 2.5 Bitcoin here. Then we got a bounce back to 102, back to 99 last night, which is interesting. And then straight back to 102. Amazing. So it's almost erased the gain. This guy's up 160% in the Guru chat. You can join him. Just click on that Guru chat English. 3.64 trillion market cap, 1.3 million viewers, Bitcoin price.live. You can set this up on your TV as well. And the volume has been massive after that drop. We dropped from 105 down, huge volume, double bottom and bounced up. I actually got Bitcoin here, but it would have actually been better to leave my 7.5 Bitcoin trade. Actually, no, because now I could open the same trade. But now so I closed here, opened down here. Now my trades are like $8,000 in the profits on that Bitcoin trade. However, I only have 2.5 Bitcoin. Here I had 7.5 Bitcoin, but I could add 5 more Bitcoin and it would be the same plus the profit. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Get 60K bonus with Bybit when you scan this QR code. It's the best exchange for liquidity. Become a student, take the courses, Crypto Master Course, Stock Guru Master Course, 72 greed, funding fee, positive 52% dominance, 102,300. And what a bounce back and rally. Amazing. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm going to show you my trades. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. My account back almost at 101,000, 1.1. Yesterday it was at 1.1, then it dropped to 150,000. The low was 145,000 actually, and then we got a bounce back to 109,000. Still down on the week, about 90,000 from the high of the week. The last month up from 958 was the low. The last 3 months up from 725. The last 6 months from 530. Plus I withdrew a lot if you've been following my videos. I've been buying a lot of MCRT, everyone, but you have to do your own due diligence and consult your brokers. I was a seed investor. My Bitcoin trade from yesterday, now 8,000. This is what I mean. This is yesterday morning video, 24 hours ago, where I closed my Bitcoin trades for $56,000 of profits in my video. Then we dropped from 103,000 all the way to 97,000, and I bought the bottom, 2.5 Bitcoin. Then we got a bounce back to 102. Funding fee is negative on Bitcoin, which is amazing. So I made $56,000 yesterday on that trade, and then we came down and I bought 2.5 Bitcoin. Now we're $8,000 in the profit. So great trades, both trades yesterday and today in profit. I only paid $44 in fees to make $8,000 in profits, which is amazing on Ethereum. On Bitcoin, it's a $247,000 trade. My Ethereum trade still negative 19,000. Yesterday it was negative 40,000 at one point. It's 155 Bitcoin. I actually added Ethereum on that dip also, so you can see where I've been buying Ethereum, and you can see I managed to add some Ethereum there in my videos, which is beautiful. So my 2 trades now active. However, my Bitcoin trade is smaller. Here I had 7.5 Bitcoin when I closed 56K in the profits. Then I bought down here. Now I'm $8,000 in the profits, but with 2.5 Bitcoin. My account 1096. I bought more MCRT. I've been buying a lot of it. You have to do your own due diligence. I seed invested. I bought more World on that drop as well. If you followed my videos, I bought World yesterday on the drop. As you can see, I added into World at $1.85. Uni 5. I also bought more Uni on that drop yesterday. I added into Uni, and I think did I get more Doge? No, I didn't buy more Doge on that drop. Let's go into the technicals for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Market bounced back crazy yesterday. It was so down it was 5% down on the tech stocks. Google still closed 4% down. Nasdaq still closed 3% down. Tesla closed 2% down. But then we got a bounce back, a big bounce back. They were 5% down at one point. Bitcoin 102,000 on the weekly chart. Bullish hammer so far, but we still got 6 days remaining. Crypto Guru Bot still a blue buy, which it fired back in February 2023. You get the Crypto Guru Bot in the Crypto Master Course, jamescryptoguru.com. Bitcoin indicator bot fired to sell 5 weeks ago, didn't fire a buy. Stochastic still heading up, squeeze mob still green. Let's go into the daily. Daily stochastic almost reset. Squeeze mob turning gray. We had this huge, look at this candle this week from 103 down to 97, back to 102. Crazy candle, and liquidated so many people. It came exactly to this support at 97,500 where I opened trade. So we have a major support there. So 97, 95, very strong supports. We played out perfectly of this descent, this triangle. Now let's see what patterns we have on Bitcoin. What a bounce as well. Amazing bounce Bitcoin had. Look at that week. The same time, we had a week similar to like that on the 13th of January. We wicked down all the way to 88. Then we bounced and ran to 109. I still see a cup and handle. We're in the fourth to fifth final impulse wave. Big cup and handle on Bitcoin, which could take us to, if we measure out the cup, this distance here, I measure it from the base of the cup, the handle. Target would be 114,695. Still looks like a bull flag on the bigger time frame, pole and flag. You can see here, pole and flag. And you can see that we have the fourth to fifth final impulse wave in effect. Let's go closer into the 4 hourly, 4 hourly. Any major pattern? Got a little bit of some trend line there. And we have something forming here. Looks like a descending wedge. Bullish pattern, descending wedge. Builds pressure like this, builds pressure, breaks out. Base of the wedge. So I'm going to, breakout would be here. We could get a pullback first. What a bounce on Bitcoin. A lot of people missed that opportunity. They would have got, so many people would have got liquidated. But if you sold with me before the drop and then bought the bottom, we did amazing. So we could do something like this. Back to 95, then bounce to 109. Very possible. Let's go closer into the hourly. On the hourly, V-shaped recovery, W formation. This did call the bottom. I called the bottom exactly. I literally bought the bottom on the minute almost. I'll show you. On Bitcoin, we bought almost the exact bottom yesterday. 2 buys in my videos and on X, which is amazing. So I would take, safest place to take a trade, I would say, is from the bottom. Safe spot to take a trade, I would say from down here. 96,300, stop loss 95, and take profit 114. Risk toward 14 times, risking 1,200 to make 18,400. 10x leverage 180,000. And riskier trade I would take from the 100k support. Here, tight stop loss for risky trades and take profit 114. This one, risk toward 10 times, risking 1,300 to make 14,000. 10x leverage would be 140,000. These are the 2 trades I would take on Bitcoin. Actually, I would move this to here because there's major support here. No, better here from that bottom. So we've got 2 options here. Either Bitcoin has an early break of this descending wedge and starts moving up to 114, or we play out 70% of the wedge, come down one more time, and then break back up out. So those are the 2 trades I would take on Bitcoin. Let's go into Ethereum. I also managed to buy Ethereum yesterday, also exactly on the bottom. And you can say Ethereum played out perfectly. Why? Because we had this descending triangle. As I told you that it was too early to break out. Descending triangle, build pressure, build, and then breaks out. But we tried to break out here. Everyone went super bullish, but it was too early. Then we wicked back out. Now Ethereum is actually ready, everyone. Looks more ready now. Descending triangle. Target 4,400. Major support now we know is at 3,000. I would take that. I would take a trade from 3,000 if not yet opened. 3,000. Stop loss 2 underneath the triangle. And take profit. 4,300 is one, and the second major one is 7,500 for the bull market high. 26 risk to reward ratio. Opening at 3,000, risking 178 per Ethereum to make 4,600 per Ethereum with no leverage. 10x leverage will be 46,000. That's the trade I would take on Ethereum. And again, I managed to buy the dip on Ethereum almost perfectly. You can see I added to Ethereum on that drop. I added first a little bit early at 3,144, and then I added again at 3,040, and then we got a huge bounce back, which is good news. Those are my two active trades, and I bought the altcoins MCRT, World, Uni on the drop. Join us in the Telegram, 268 of you online. Get the premium version so it auto-translates all world languages into English. I made a video yesterday, signs of the top. Bitcoin at 75k Bitcoin now. And you can see people just discussing. DJI closed an engulfing candle with volume while the VIX closes up over 20%. That's wild. Huge volume on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Massive volume and bullish engulfing, which is quite bullish actually. You can join them in the Telegram. The link is down below. Sign up to Bybit, 60k bonus, main exchange. If you've been losing money in the markets or you have high fees, Bybit, in my opinion, one of the best. Weex gives you a $200 sign-up bonus for USA, UK, and Australia. And Bitunix International Exchange, KYC free, 5,500 worldwide exchange. JamesCryptoGuru.com for the courses and for the Telegram. Also join me on X. 100,400 followers. Bitcoin stocks and crypto lost trillions today. Everyone thinks this is the end. 10,000 people saw that video of me buying more Ethereum and Bitcoin at the bottom. I remember the first day I told people about Bitcoin at less than $1. I got 750 dislikes and my video was removed from YouTube. Da Vinci is one of the amazing influencers that told everyone to buy Bitcoin at $1. He's also a advisor to MCRT. Another one for the wall. This was my Bitcoin trade where I sold and then I bought the bottom. Now we're at 102. Read this about where the ETF money goes. Let's see if this was the Bitcoin dip. Again, attacked on Sunday night while ETF closed 6 weeks in a row. And I actually know I perfectly pick up the bottom. I've got a technique which I teach you in the crypto master course, how to identify when the bottom is in. And yesterday the video views were crazy. This video got 10,000 views and like 40,000 views on X. I'll show you. Yesterday's video here got 42,000 views, which is amazing. Let's read your comments. James, what would you go all in on crypto versus having primary cash right now? I would never go all in on something. And I would, in crypto right now, a DCA because we're at all-time highs. Christian, nice question. Yesterday you said it was Colombia. Okay. All we are seeing is market manipulation by these institutions. Remember the guy that prophesized Trump's shooting eventual win? Remember he predicted a huge market crash? Is that not what playing out? Could be. But then he said he had another premonition that everything could be good. What is happening to MTT? You stopped talking about it. I talk about it a lot. I just bought some more. Hi, James. Reading this. Stochastic is turning down, going green, going gray, turning down, going, I'm not sure. Please, should I buy ICE? I don't know it. End speech was deep, bro. Thank you very much. Don't believe anything. China FUD, 2017 China FUD, very funny. What's your overall portfolio now? It's up to 500k more back to late November. Amazing. Can we get a Tesla? I'll do Tesla in the next video before the stock market opens. Love you all, everyone. Have an amazing day. Big congratulations on the trade yesterday. Closed that Bitcoin trade, 56k in the profit, 7.5 Bitcoin. Then it dropped, opened 2.5 Bitcoin on the bottom. Now $8,000 in profits. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.